Samsung announces Unpacked event for August 11th with the Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip teaser. Get ready to unfold. Yeah, I knew about this. We've been talking about this, seen a few leaks and things, and now it's just official. August 11th is not that far away. And actually, their artwork embraces the fact that everyone knows exactly what they're doing. So they just say what it is and then just show it in the artwork. So it's the Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 2. Are we right about that?
Let me check.
I got to be honest with you. The Flip is not a thing that I've spent an extensive amount of time with.
I believe it's 2.
Yeah, we're on 2. Yeah, out of the 2, I spent way more time with the previous models of the Fold. I'm not sure why that is. I know there are some people that love the Flip.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe that's what I got to do this time around. Invest in it. Learn to love it.
Yeah, give it a shot.
Maybe that's what I got to do. I don't know. But what I'm most curious about is the surface material on the internal display and whether they were able to achieve this hybrid status that feels more like glass at all.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm going to be looking for. The event is going to be August 11th, 10 a.m. Eastern, 7 a.m. Pacific. And I guess they haven't officially said it's going to be those 2 devices, but it's widely expected. Yeah, well, the artwork seems to indicate such a thing.
Yeah.
By the way, which of those 2 would you be more likely to carry around? The monster that is the Fold or the baby clamshell known as the Flip?
I can't get the big devices.
Too big. It's a brick.
Much. I'll try the Z Flip.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, the Fold is definitely a brick. It's a commitment in the pocket. It's great in environments where you're just sitting on the couch and things like this. Oh, it's great. Mm-hmm. You unfold it. It's fantastic. Super comfortable form factor for typing and browsing. But you just got to get past the pocket aspect. I think that's why Samsung often shows it off in like the suit jacket or something.
Oh, right, yeah.
Because it's just tall and chunky. Anyway, we'll wait and see what they do with this next one.